roof incorporates a hip detail, it is important to sheet in towards the hip from either side. Sheet as normal in a right to left or left to right pattern until you reach the hip. At this point, the sheets will need trimming to size, and this can be done by marking the sheets or taking appropriate measurements. Where waste on site is a concern, it may be possible for offcuts of sheets to be used in other sections of sheeting into the hip. Fix as normal and continue sheeting in the pattern you normally would from eaves to ridge, overlapping and fixing as standard as you go. Repeat on the other side as you reach the hip, sheeting in from the other end of the building, ensuring the sheets on either side finish close enough to be covered by the flashing. Pressed aluminium flashings can be used in conjunction with fibre cement sheets and are available from sheet metal fabricators. Protect the internal roof from wind-driven rain by using ridge roll and ensure an end lap just below the lap of the sheeting. Fix the flashing to the purlins using self-drilling screws through the same corrugations you would fix the sheeting.